In this video, we're going to connect Power BI to an Excel spreadsheet. So we're starting out with our Excel spreadsheet. We have it in a folder on our desktop, minimum wage data, and we're going to open Power BI. Now we have a few options. When we open Power BI, we can do get data, and Excel will be at the top, or CSV. And if we don't use that option, there's an Excel option in the menu, and also you can get Excel from the get data in the menu option. And if you click more, all the same options will show up again as the welcome menu. So we're just going to add an Excel file. And we'll pick our minimum wage file. We're going to open. And this was actually a CSV file, so all of our data is in there correctly, and we can just load the data. So we have all of our data on the right for the fields, and we're just gonna add a table just to make sure our data is there. And open up that. So now we see all of our data from our Excel sheet. So this works for, although I said Excel and it was a CSV, it would work the same way. And so it really, you can load a CSV using the Excel option. Let's just go back for those who want to see the exact process. We'll go to Excel, and I changed the file to Excel worksheet. We click open. And we have our minimum wage worksheet, and we click load. And here we have our data again, and we'll just add in a quick table. And we can see all of our data showing. And that was it for loading Excel into Power BI.